So you try to start your Durango or whatever SRT and it won't start. If your RPM gauge isn't moving when you're hitting the start, it's because your crank sensor is bad. So don't get yourself an aftermarket. Get yourself the real deal crank sensor from Motorcraft. And also just keep in mind it's on the passenger side of the motor. I'll show you the video in a minute. Dodge Durango SRT. Hey, your crank sensor go bad? That's all you gotta do. Jack your car up, a couple stands, come on over here, get yourself a nice trusty light. A little peanut butter, Girl Scout cookie. Go under here. And let me see if I can see it. That's it right there. I had to pull back the insulation here from this angle. That's it. Little 5/16. That's the nut. Take that off. Push that red clip back. Unbolt it. And slide this 5/16. Slide this insulation back. Push that red clip back right there. Pull it off. I'm done. So I'm just going to slide this back over it. Just like that. Cover that up. You're going to probably need one of these little picks. You know, to push the red clip. The pick helps. That's it, man. Nothing harder than that. In 30 minutes I was done.